Hi, I'm Julie Ireland. I am here with Emily at Gilardino Flooring, and I love your products. Tell me a little bit about your company.
Thank you, Julie. Hi, everyone. My name is Emily. I work for Gilardino Flooring. Gilardino is the leading manufacturer for flooring. We specialize in resilient flooring, such as SPC, heterogeneous flooring, homogeneous flooring, and sports flooring. So Gilardino has 3 manufacturing plants across China, and we covers 4 different product types. So we are one of the most diversified flooring manufacturers with the strongest hardware and strongest capacity. We're also named as the top 10 resilient flooring manufacturers in China for 3 years in a row.
That's amazing. Tell me about these beautiful products that I'm seeing here. Like, I love the patterns, and tell us a little bit about the capability of your factory.
Yes,
with your
definitely.
products.
So behind us are our SPC floorings. So we have a lot of different designs that we brought to the show today. Not only, your regular wood designs, but we also have some innovative, creative designs. So Gilardino not only be able to print our own color films, so that allows us unlimited possibility in terms of what you want for your flooring. We also do wall panels too, and we have our own carved wall panels in the back of the show, which we can see later. And then for our regular designs, we are capable of producing anything that is wood-like to stone-like to marble-like, or to anything that is more creative. And what we are showing here, we have the embossed in register EIR flooring product. So that will give you a more realistic feel of the wood flooring, and also a more realistic touch like the wood flooring, because the grain will match with the design exactly. And then right here we have a more clean sort of wood look. And then behind me are the herringbone flooring, and it comes in a lot of different colors. And for the SPC Gilardino produces, because we produce our own weight layer, so we can make sure, the stability of the flooring, make sure the flooring has the best stability. And other products that you will receive use top tier raw materials, and our craftsmanship goes from selecting the best raw material to the production process and to every details, including the packaging, so we can make sure the best products are delivered to your home.
Yeah, I feel like you are just so passionate. That's what I love about it. You're so passionate about your products, what you're making here. You kind of have something for everyone, but I also know that you also supply a lot of commercial products, and
yes.
I would love for people to learn more about that.
Yes, definitely.
Okay, let's take a look.
Walk over.
Oh my goodness, it's just beautiful. Wow, can you tell me a little bit about the commercial products?
Yeah. Thank you, Julie. So behind us are all the commercial products Gilardino produces. So we're not only producing SPC, but we also do heterogeneous vinyl sheet, homogeneous vinyl sheet, and sports flooring. So all of those floorings can be used in commercial settings, and Gilardino are certified in a lot of different standards and specifications. So if you're interested, please let us know, and we will send the data sheets to you.
Yeah, and I know that you've mentioned too that you also supply to, like, what other applications is your flooring really good for? Like, I think you said you do like hospitals, and what else do you do?
Yes, so different products are used in different settings. So for our homogeneous vinyl sheet, those are used in medical settings, and those are good for hospitals and also anything that related to medical, because those are vinyl sheet roll product. So a lot of customers will apply it in a roll and then use the welding rod in between for connections, and will make this whole environment really free from the germs. And then for our heterogeneous flooring, it is used in a lot of commercial settings. So any large areas, for example, senior homes, or any commercial area that needs to apply flooring for a large place, and it's easy to install. And also our product, it has a lot of good benefits. So for example, it's waterproof, and also it's scratch resistant. And because we produce our own wear layer, we can also make sure our wear layer is really strong and it's anti-scratch, and it can last for a long time. And because we use really environmental friendly materials, so all the products are free from formaldehyde, and our water ink printing allow the product have really low TVOC. And so all the products, they are super green, and super last for long, and they are good for a lot of commercial projects. And we also have a lot of different designs. So anything from the wood pattern to any other patterns that you're looking for, any different colors, different patterns, we can customize based on your request as well. So if you have some designs you're interested, some patterns that you would like, you can just send us a picture and we will do the manufacture for you. And lastly, it's our sports flooring. So sports flooring, as the name it says, it's used in different sports facilities. We have both indoor and outdoor sports flooring. So sports flooring have different colors, as you can see in the back. We also have different emboss. We have wood designs. We have different emboss that used for different environments. So the wood are used more for the basketball courts, and then the other emboss are used for different setting as well. So we have a lot of different color, a lot of different thickness, a lot of different designs, a lot of different emboss, and the dimensions for those flooring come in 2 meter wide, and we can do 15 meter long or 20 meter long, and we can all customize based on your request. So a big advantage for us as the original factory is that we can produce a lot of different products based on your request. So all of those products can be customized whatever way you want it, and we have a lot of production capacities, and we wanted to strive for good qualities as well.
Yes. I love that your product's sustainable. You kind of have a design to fit everyone's needs.
Yeah.
What I really want to learn about is your history. Tell me a little bit about how did you get started in flooring? I mean, you're a woman in flooring. I love it. Tell me a little bit about your family history.
Yeah, thank you so much for the question, Julie. So Gilardino is a family business. So my father, he founded the business, and he has been in the flooring manufacturer business his whole entire life. He's a first generation college in the family and also in the village, and he went to school, one of the top tier school in China, to study chemical engineering. So he has the technical background.
Oh my goodness,
Yes.
so you grew up with that.
Yeah, exactly.
So amazing.
Yeah, and he basically put all his dedication in building this family business and also in producing good quality flooring. So with that pride in quality and also that work ethics, I joined this family business. So we started from founding the first factory in the north part of China to the second factory that is near Shanghai in Jiangxi province. And then we opened our third factory in April last year.
That is absolutely incredible. I happen to love China, love Shanghai. Oh my goodness. Love what you're doing. If people want to find out more about your product or how do they get it, what is your web address?
Yes, definitely. So we are looking for distributors or anyone who are interested in both our SPC or our commercial vinyl flooring that include heterogeneous, homogeneous, and sports flooring. You can contact us in all social medias. We are on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and also our website is gilardinoflooring.com. Again, it's gilardinoflooring.com. So if you are interested in any of our product or wanted to have a conversation, learning more about us, feel free to let us know.
Sounds amazing.
Thank you.
I love it.
Thank you.
Look, Mom. I made that.